Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chabin. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. $15.86 or $17.54. Can DOT traders expect to see demand in the next week? Disclaimer. The findings of this analysis are the sole opinions of the writer and should not be considered investment advice. In the hours prior to the time of writing, Bitcoin rallied sharply from $34.8K to $39K, but was unable to breach this resistance level, despite pushing as far north as $39.8K. Following in its footsteps, Polkadot also saw a relief rally from the local lows at $14.2 and was trading at $16.08 during press time. However, the market structure remained bearish for Polkadot in the near term. Hence, shorting opportunities may present themselves, while a session close above $17.54 could present a shift in bias toward bullish. The short-term range that DOT was trading within about 2 weeks ago, orange, did not hold, and the range lows were flipped from support to resistance a week ago. Since then, DOT has registered a series of lower highs and lower lows on the charts. Moreover, the price has tested the $16.6, $17.4 area multiple times to try and break above, but sellers have remained strong. This suggested that DOT's move upward from $14.2 was likely only a move in search of liquidity before its next leg downward. The Fibonacci retracement levels based on DOT's move from $23.19 to $15.8 presented the 27.2% and 61.8% extension levels at $13.79 and $11.23. Also, the $15.86 has acted as support in the past few hours. The RSI rose above neutral 50, while the Awesome Oscillator also surged above the zero line in the past few hours. This was in response to DOT's nearly 15% gains in just over 12 hours. The OBV also saw a spike upward, but the downtrend on the OBV made it clear that selling volume has been dominant in recent weeks. Systems between different chains in Ethereum announced its partnership with Parallel Finance, a decentralized money market protocol that offers lending, staking, and borrowing in the Polkadot ecosystem. Parallel Finance is committed to providing liquidity to assets locked across multiple chains and bridging liquidity across heterogeneous chains. The partnership will enable Parallel Finance users to participate in Geminis Network's Polkadot Crowdland, the first Polkadot pair chain backed by Pair State's advanced technical stack. Parallel Finance has launched a Crowdland product that incentivizes Crowdland participants with higher utilization of funds and incentives, and thus the ability to achieve higher returns. Through this parallel product, users can earn multi-token rewards and contribute to any Crowdland on the platform, such as that of the Geminis network, powered by Pair State. Specific benefits to Geminis's Crowdland supporters include gaining access to early liquidity and avoiding being held up by DOT's 2-year lock-in period. Regarding this association, Marco Chen, co-founder of Pair State, stated that the association with Parallel Finance and their Crowdland liquidity solution will allow users to increase the use of their capital and participations within the Pair State ecosystem, such as Geminis Network, in a more efficient way and based on decisions about their own risk appetite. Parallel Finance was the big winner of the 4th Polkadot pair chain auction last December, with a total of 10 million DOT tokens contributed at the end of the auction, making it the 3rd pair chain by the amount of DOT contributions so far. The project is focused on innovating and taking DeFi usability to the next level, with a more secure and user-friendly decentralized platform to appeal to the masses. With Parallel Finance on board, Pair State hopes to increase the participation of users from the Polkadot ecosystem in the Geminis Network Crowdland, as well as promote long-term cooperation between both platforms. About Parallel Finance is a technology company that specializes in decentralized finance-related services and products, which include lending, trading, staking, and derivatives on multi-chains. Parallel Finance is a leader in the development and innovation of DeFi for the adoption of the WEB3 revolution, and plans to bring DeFi to 1 billion people. About Pair State, known as Ethereum on steroids, Pair State is a multi-chain smart contract platform bridging the application and developer ecosystem between Polkadot, Substrate, and Ethereum, as well as other chains wanting to provide Ethereum compatibility. while supporting the EADS that it will carry out an airdrop for crypto donors. Bitcoin's price recovery continues. The price of Bitcoin continued to trend upwards in the last few days, reaching an intraday high of $44,634 today. However, at the time of writing, Bitcoin is trading at around $43,700, down 1.8% in the last 24 hours. The market has defied fears that sanctions may be placed on crypto, as governments try to isolate Russia's economy. However, analysts have dismissed the fears, saying that crypto, especially Bitcoin being a public ledger, would not prove viable for Russia to use in circumventing sanctions. So next news. Polkadot, DOT and Firepan token, FRPN, two altcoins that could outperform Bitcoin, BTC, in 2022. Bitcoin, BTC, is number one when it comes to cryptocurrencies. It has established itself as the market leader, and shot to its all-time high price of $69,044.77 in November 2021. Whilst an investment in Bitcoin, BTC, wouldn't necessarily be seen as a bad thing, the potential for huge gains and to at least 10x your investment is unlikely. This is because Bitcoin, BTC, has already seen massive price appreciation, and would need a market cap of $7 trillion to 10x from its current price. Thankfully, there are a number of mid-cap and low-cap altcoins that offer tremendous value over the coming years. Polkadot, DOT, and Firepan token, FRPN, are two projects with excellent fundamentals. Polkadot, DOT, is a revolutionary technology that promises to promote blockchain interoperability. Most blockchains currently operate independently, making data sharing with other platforms difficult. Through Polkadot, DOT, blockchains can operate as pair chains within the system, allowing for significantly more scalability, thanks to a parallel processing technique. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth, and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot, DOT, a good investment? Polkadot price prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot, DOT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot course prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price